Now, actress and entrepreneur JoAnna Garcia Swisher is sweeping audiences away in her starring role in the popular Netflix series Sweet Magnolias. And behind the scenes, JoAnna and her husband, retired MLB World Series champion and current Fox baseball analyst Nick Swisher, are among the millions of Americans who suffer from environmental allergies, which can occur year-round. Well, JoAnna and Nick know allergies can have a huge impact on daily life, and that's why they're raising awareness about the importance of learning more on how to control your allergies and how to talk with your allergist. Joining them along with me today is immunologist and allergist Dr. Payel Gupta. Thank you all for joining me this morning.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you, Makayla. Appreciate that.
Now, first, JoAnna and Nick, you guys have a lot going on right now. Tell us, how do you juggle everything in your busy schedules?
Well, it's definitely a juggle. A lot of good teamwork. It's a busy time. I mean, it's a busy time for everybody, but we're pretty good. We kind of, have a great support system and
doing a few little jobs we're not used to doing these days.
Yeah,
I'm sure
exactly.
a lot of people are.
And here today to talk about, how we do suffer from allergies. And when we heard the statistics of how many people actually in this country that suffer from allergies, and so many of them are undiagnosed, I was like, we need to talk about this. And so we were able to partner with ALK and just really raise awareness, and with the help of Dr. Gupta to kind of give us all the medical facts, we really feel like we might be able to change some people's lives, because you don't have to suffer from allergies.
Absolutely, because we know entire families suffer from allergies. I'm one of those families that suffer from, me and my kids all suffer from allergies, so I know how important this information is to get out there. Now, Dr. Gupta, tell us, how prevalent are environmental allergies, and what impact do they have on people's lives?
Yeah, so 30 to 60 million people in America are actually affected by allergies, making it one of the leading causes of chronic disease in our country. And, even though 7 out of 10 people experience symptoms, only 3 out of 10 people are actually diagnosed with allergies. So it's an underdiagnosed condition. And on top of that, we know that 3 out of 5 people that experience allergies feel that it inhibits them from doing normal daily activities that they'd like to enjoy. So it just has a huge impact on people's daily lives.
Absolutely. Now, one of the myths that I would like to talk about with you, Dr. Gupta, is that many people, when they hear the word allergies, they automatically think of spring. So they think spring, that's the only time allergies occur, but that's not the case. Tell us a little bit more about that, how allergies are not just a spring thing.
Yeah, good point. So allergies are not just a spring thing. They can happen year-round, and that's because our allergens occur indoors and outdoors. So spring allergies are from trees, summer allergies are from grass, fall allergies are from weeds, and then year-round allergies can be from dust mites, cockroaches, animals, or even mold. So there's a lot of different causes for allergies, and that's why it's so important to get tested by an allergist to find out exactly what's causing your symptoms and what's causing your allergies, because once we know, then we can really tailor therapy to you and help you feel better.
Indeed. Now, you said to get tested. What are some things that people can do if they feel a little nervous about talking to their healthcare provider about being tested? What are some ways that people can get that conversation going with their primary healthcare provider?
Yeah, I think primary healthcare providers want to make you feel better. They want to make sure that you're feeling better. And so if any time you feel like your allergies aren't completely controlled, telling your healthcare provider that, maybe you want to see a specialist, that you want to go ahead and take that next step further with your allergies and get tested would be really the next move. And as far as allergy testing, if you're scared, just know that it's not a scary test. Know that we do it on children, adults, and it's very well tolerated, and it really just takes 15 minutes. It's done in the office, and it's not, there's no blood draw, there's no, we don't take any blood out, we do a small skin test, so it's pretty easy.
And to piggyback off what Doc was saying as well. Oh, I'm sorry.
We got delayed.
Oh, go ahead, Nick. Go ahead.
No, I was just saying, I was going to give you a couple more tips, right? I was going to give you a couple more tools, right? Allergyhomefree.com. Allergyhomefree.com has been a tremendous source of information for Joe and I. Joe really enjoys the Clarify app as well. Clarify with a K, right? It gives you the ability to track your symptoms wherever you are in the country. It kind of lets you know the air quality, all of that stuff. But I think the biggest thing that we want people to know is, empower yourself with the knowledge that, hey, these allergies are real and they do affect you. Joe and I, for the longest time in our lives, we felt like all we had to do was just power through it. But that's not the case anymore. There's amazing tips, amazing tools that you can utilize to help get through these allergies. Because listen, whoever told you they were just in the spring I suffer from them big time. And right now in the fall, right after the World Series, is really where things start to hit me and hit me big. So now to be able to team up with ALK and to have this amazing platform to let people know that you can combat this and you can live a better life. We don't have to deal with allergies anymore.
Yeah, and allergyhomefree.com will help you connect to an allergist, which I think is so important. Huge. Because having that partner, like Dr. Gupta said, to be able to test to know what you're up against. And that's why once I kind of really had a good handle of the things that I suffer from, I was able to, plug that into the Clarify app. And then I was able to kind of really understand what was around me, what could potentially trigger me, and kind of how I was feeling. It was a great picture. But having an allergist the sound advice is so instrumental, and it has definitely changed the way that we have created a lifelong approach to our allergies.
I love that. Thank you for sharing those resources. And just one last question for all three of you. What is the most important thing that you would like for people to know, something that you do yourselves to help manage your allergies, especially as this fall and winter season are coming up?
I mean, honestly, I think that it's really talking to my allergist and getting ahead of it, understanding what I suffer from, and having that awareness has really been a game changer for me, because like I said, I do suffer from indoor and outdoor allergies, and I've been able to kind of create environments for myself. I stay in hotels a lot because I'm traveling and in different areas. So even in my trailer on set, I have ways to combat the different allergies that I could suffer from. So really understanding, not just like, oh, I suffer from allergies or environmental allergies or seasonal allergies, like to really hone in and be specific about what I am dealing with. And then I know, okay, I'm going to be exposed on this level, and just kind of getting ahead of it. But having that relationship with my allergist is I would say it's my number one tip.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing I would want to tell people is take control of your life. Right? Empower yourself with knowledge. Go out, do your due diligence, find out how to combat things like this. Because for us, I mean, being able to team up with the team that we have around us now has been instrumental. Yeah. And like Joe said, we are creating a lifelong plan in how to deal with our allergies. And I think that's what people need to go out and do.
Indeed, absolutely. And for more information, just like JoAnna said and Dr. Gupta, you can visit allergyhomefree.com. That website has lots of information, tips, and resources to help you fight your allergies, whatever you may have, and help you get a better control of them, as well as the Clarify app, and that's Clarify with a K. Definitely visit both of those resources so that way you can have a better control of your allergies, both indoor and outdoor, year-round. I want to thank you so much, JoAnna and Nick, for joining me, as well as Dr. Gupta.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing this important information. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
You got it. Have a good rest of your day.
Bye.
You too. Thank you.